Worldcoin pumped by more than 30% since the last update, where I told you that the best opportunity to take long would be after some significant pullback, for example 0.30 consolidation, stop loss hunt, and after that we can take a trade for continuation. Why I told you? Because if you remember, I told you here that price did quite significant impulse, and often after such impulse big stop loss hunt could happen. As you can see, they retested that key level 0.30, and at this moment they reach 0.40. What we can do the next? Where could be the next opportunity? Let's break it down. First, what you need to understand at this moment, volume is rising on Worldcoin. Rising. Why does this stuff matter? Because every healthy bull movement happens when we have open interest increase together with volume. Example for you, as it was, for example, on XLM, we took several beautiful trades inside our community, and I did quite a lot of updates, which I will give you into description, how volume increased, open interest increased, and what price did, massive pump, 30%. That's just excellent. Nearly the same stuff could happen on Worldcoin. Only one difference, as you can see, open interest doesn't stable. It's super important that open interest enter and doesn't drop. In that case, yes, that's the best confirmation that price is really bullish and with bigger chance move upward continue. Where we can take a trade, before I tell you, push like, subscribe, because I share with you best updates which will help you make money in the future, and you will never miss them when you subscribe. At this moment, price is at range high. Honestly, it is not the best place to look for continuation and a long entry. Still, best opportunity for a long would be if price would retest at least VWAP 0.31 or even this 0.5 VWAP deviation from which price bounced before. That means key area, just best of the best area for a long at this moment, 0.2952. It is the best place to take long because you can see how this deviation played out as a powerful support previously. Of course, there could be a different situation that price would not take it. Only we would change our plan only if price would consolidate above at least this 0.5 VWAP deviation. After several days of consolidation, only in that case it would be possible to take a trade. And of course, if there would be good opportunity, I will share a signal as I do inside our community, where I tag everyone that, for example, we take a trade, what would be stop loss, take profit. After that, price move into our favor, we make significant profits. As you can see, on daily basis I share trading plans. Also I share trades which I personally took. At this moment you can get access to all of this entirely for free. What you need to do, below this video there would be this link. Open it. It would be special Telegram bot where you will get all the details. Super shortly, become partner on exchange, trade by our link for you, zero additional fees. Coming back to Worldcoin once more, consolidation, we take a long, or price reach 0.29, we take a long. At this moment, after such impulse, it is not the best place to take a trade. What regarding targets and how far price could go, as you remember in a previous video I discussed with you regarding potential targets. Honestly, globally nothing had changed because price broke this downward structure. Price finally started moving up. We finally broke this downward trend. Open interest is increasing. That's why chances to retest at least global VWAP of this entire structure is really possible. And you can see anchored VWAP at this moment around 0.60. That would be our major goal of this upward structure. That's why, my friend, what you need to do at this moment, first, you do not hurry up, because if you hurry up at this moment, it's easy to get stop loss and get trapped. What you do, you wait for consolidation or a pullback, you take a trade and you close by parts. And of course, if you don't want to be alone, you join our community, and especially at this moment you have such opportunity to do it absolutely free. Right now, subscribe, and here I prepared for you powerful video lesson about VWAP, how you can combine it together with other indicators, because you can see VWAP, really powerful tools that help you together with other indicators identify best areas for a trade. Have a nice day.